What is the square root of 784? Take a moment. The answer is 28. No calculator, no long division, no guessing. In the next few minutes, you will learn a simple pattern that allows you to calculate square roots of perfect squares in about 5 seconds. For this math hack, there are 3 simple steps. Step 1. Observe the last digit. Every perfect square ends in a predictable number. Here is the pattern. If a square number ends in 1, the square root ends in 1 or 9. If it ends in 4, the root ends in 2 or 8. If it ends in 5, the root ends in 5. If it ends in 6, the root ends in 4 or 6. If it ends in 9, the root ends in 3 or 7. If it ends in 0, the root ends in 0. Memorizing this small list immediately narrows your answer. Now, let us apply the method. Example 1. Find the square root of 784. First, look at the last digit. 784 ends in 4. That means the square root must end in 2 or 8. So the answer is either something 2 or something 8. Next, ignore the last 2 digits. Ignore 84. Focus only on 7. Now ask yourself, between which 2 perfect squares does 7 fall? 2 squared equals 4, 3 squared equals 9. 7 lies between 4 and 9. That means the first digit of the square root is 2. Now we choose between 22 and 28. Check quickly. 22 squared equals 484. Too small. 28 squared equals 784. Correct! Therefore, the square root of 784 is 28. Let us try another example. Find the square root of 961. Look at the last digit. 961 ends in 1, so the square root must end in 1 or 9. Now, ignore 61. Focus on 9. 3 squared equals 9. That tells us the first digit is 3. Now we choose between 31 and 39. 31 squared equals 961. 39 squared equals 1,521. The correct answer is 31. One more example. Find the square root of 2025. Last digit, 5. The square root must end in 5. Ignore 25. Focus on 20. 4 squared equals 16. 5 squared equals 25. 20 lies between 16 and 25, so the first digit is 4. The answer is 45. Now try one on your own. Find the square root of 1369. Comment the answer in comment box.